Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification in one of the government college, that is a state government university. And for this one, no written test, direct interview, and these are all the permanent or the regular post, and the selected candidates are going to get the UGC pay scale for the level 10 category, that is the 57,700 rupees per month, and the last date to apply this one is the 9th November 2020. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is Coach Behar Panchnan Burma University. It is one of the state university in the West Bengal. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You just scroll down and here you can see the recruitment. So click on this one. Then you will be directed to the recruitment notification from this university. Here I am going to show you the two notifications from the same university. One is for the assistant librarian and second one is for the post for professor, associate and for the assistant professors in the different subjects. So first we will see the teaching faculty positions. So it is a notification regarding this faculty posts. Coming to the departments, the commerce, English, Hindi, history, law, mathematics, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, botany, economics, library and information science. And here based upon the caste category and the designation wise, the posts are mentioned here in this table. So you may check down here. And before going into the educational qualifications for these posts, here the main eligibility is the ability to read, write and speak in Bengali and English is an essential qualification for recruitment to the post of professor, associate professor and assistant professor. And the minimum qualifications are as per the UGC regulations and state government orders. Coming to the assistant professor, eligibility either A or B. Assistant professor rationalized entry pay, that is 57,700 rupees per month, is going to be provided in arts, humanities, science, social science, commerce, educational languages, law and journalism and mass communication. And master's degree with 55% of marks must be there. Apart from this one, the net SLET or CSIR net qualification must be there. So if this national eligibility test qualification is not there, then the candidate must have the PhD qualification. Okay. So it is the minimum eligibility for the assistant professor. And coming to the associate professor, the pay scale is the 1,31,400 rupees. And the minimum eligibility criteria is given here, the PhD degree and master's degree and minimum 8 years of teaching experience or the research experience must be there. So like that, the professor qualifications are also mentioned here. And coming to the relaxation of marks for direct recruitment of assistant professor, associate and the professor, the national eligibility test or an accredited test, that is SLET or SET, shall remain the minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor and equivalent positions, whereas provided in these regulations. Further, SLET or SET shall be valid as the minimum eligibility for the direct recruitment to the universities or the colleges institutions in the respective state only. Okay. So for more details and all, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please go through this one and please share this video. If you are not belongs to this one, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, and it will be very much helpful to them. Okay, so please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.